excited to share that checkboxes are now available in Google Sheets. I'm going to show you how you can add checkboxes to simply use it for a to-do list. In my first column, I'm going to label it task. In my second column, I'm going to label it status. I'm going to go over to the first column for task, and I'm going to list a few tasks. In this case, I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Under status is where I'm going to put the checkboxes. If these tasks are complete, then I want checkboxes that I can check off. So I'm going to highlight the cells I'd like the checkboxes in. I'm going to click on insert, and then I'm going to click here on checkboxes, and the checkboxes are then inserted in. What ways could you use checkboxes in Google Sheets in your classroom? Try it out.